In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to a Wave.video video. Captions are essential for accessibility, help viewers follow along with sound off, and improve watch time. So let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, head to your Wave.video dashboard and open My Projects. This is where all your videos live. If your clip isn't there yet, click Upload Video and choose the file from your computer. Give it a moment to upload and process. While you wait, it's a good idea to use a clear file name so you can spot it quickly later. Once the upload finishes, click the video thumbnail to open it, then select Edit Video to enter the editor. On the left-hand side, look for the Captions panel and open it. This is your workspace for creating and managing subtitles. Click Add Caption. You'll see options to generate automatically, upload a file, start with a blank track, or translate. Auto is great if your audio is clean and you want speed. Pick the correct spoken language so the transcription is accurate. Upload is ideal if you already have an SRT or VTT file. Make sure the timecodes match your edit and the text is encoded in UTF-8. Blank gives you full manual control, useful for precise wording or stylized timing. Translate lets you create a caption track in another language based on an existing one, which is helpful for multilingual audiences. After your captions appear, click any caption block to edit the text. Fix names, jargon, and punctuation and keep each caption concise, ideally 1 to 2 lines. You can drag the edges of a caption in the timeline to sync it perfectly with the audio. Aim for natural breaks at pauses and avoid covering important on-screen elements. You can also adjust how your captions look. Choose a style preset that matches your brand, then tweak the font, size, color, and background to ensure strong contrast and readability. Position the captions so they don't clash with lower thirds or other graphics, and keep a safe margin from the edges for mobile viewers. If you see a voice or language setting associated with auto-generation, make sure it matches the speaker and accent in your video for better accuracy. When everything looks good, give the video a quick playthrough to confirm timing and spelling. If nothing more needs changing, go ahead and publish. Decide whether you want captions burned into the video or available as a toggle, and finalize your export. That's it, your Wave.video project now has clean professional captions ready to boost engagement and accessibility.